So welcome to this 80,000-year-old extinct volcano in the middle of New Mexico. Awesome. How was the ride? What's up, everybody? So today we're gonna go visit this amazing volcano. It's actually an extinct volcano, and I'm gonna meet up with my buddy Andrew. So today I got my awesome KLR Kawasaki, and this bike's been with me for a long time. This one actually took me to Alaska and back, and as you can see, I got all these cool stickers around, and this was the only thing I could bring back on my trip was stickers. So you know what? You don't bring back things as a adventurer. You actually bring back experiences, and in this case, stickers is the only thing I was able to bring back. There he is, the man, the myth, the legend. Well, soon to be legend. He's already a man, from what I can tell. What's up, buddy? How's it going?
Good.
You looking snazzy with your nice visor there. I can see myself. Look at that. What's up, guys? It's me. Yeah, I love the tint. Look at that. That's awesome. You ready for today?
I'm ready.
Yeah. Is that your new bike?
That's my new bike.
So that bike kind of looks like my bike. Why is that? I think I might have created a monster. So if you guys know, that's my grandfather. You might have seen him in one of my other blogs, motovlogs actually. There he is, taking his sweet time. Come on, let's go, let's go. Come on, let's go. I'm gonna keep circling you like a shark over here. This is like my 15th circle around you. Oh, dogs love motorcycles. You see that?
I'm looking forward to actually getting off-road with this thing for the first time.
Oh yeah. We have quite a bit to teach you today.
It's going to be exciting. I'm ready for it.
All right, so for those of you curious, we're actually on the Mexico and Texas-US border. We have 2 different countries and 3 different states. So it's very interesting. This is Mexico, right literally over there, and this is the United States over here. All right, we made it to the entrance of the dirt road, and as you can see, there's a highway. There's Columbus to the right, port of entry to the left is us, and we're gonna go down that beautiful road, and we're basically gonna hug that entire mountain over there. This might be your first time really off-roading on a bike of yours. Air down our tires because we'll have more traction that way, and it'll be a lot safer for us. And we have 25. That's good. That's a good number. This was my original website, expeditionsouth.com, as it was my way of advertising when nobody knew who I was. So yeah, thanks to everybody who's followed me so long on this adventure. I've had so many comments on my videos saying I followed you for 3 years, 4 years, so you guys are awesome. Thank you.
We only rode it for about 10 minutes, and it's already, that glossy black finish has now got the coat of dirt on it.
So your brand new bike is now dusty. That's what it's all about, man.
Right?
If you have a clean bike, you're doing it wrong.
Absolutely.
I absolutely love being out here. There's absolutely nobody. We haven't seen a single person. Gotta love it. I love the desert. Is Huntsville. That looks very similar to Kilbournes, but it's much smaller. So Andrew, you dropped the bike for the first time. How do you feel?
It finally happened. It's sad. It's a little dusty, but it'll be okay.
Damage. That's nothing. Look at that. It's just some small dust. I have to say overall for your first fall, not bad. All right, so as I said before, this is an extinct volcano. And what that means is that about 25 to 80,000 years ago, this was actually still active. It wasn't spewing lava like you would imagine, but it was underneath labyrinths of lava fields. The steam and the fumes and the exhaust of water meeting magma creates these labyrinths here. So it's actually the world's best preserved mar, one of the best. We're gonna have a quick bite here, hydrate, and we're gonna head off to Kilbournes Hole, which is even bigger. That was so sandy. Look at this. Look at my little streak. Keep going. Oh man. All right, let's get your bike up. Ready? 1, 2. So this is the patches where you actually have to go kind of quick, because the more speed and momentum you have, the more weight you got in the back, the easier it is.
What did I do?
You don't want to know. So Andrew lost a piece of his brand new bike, and that's a very sad moment. So here you go. Dude, you should see how many bike parts I've broken.
You realize I'm probably going to be falling the same way all the way back.
Oh no, we're going out a different way.
Oh, thank God.
Remember, you're not on a light bike, you're on a 650, it's heavy. Now remember guys, this is Andrew's first off-road experience, so he's doing an amazing job for the first time. Anyway, the adventure continues. Good job, buddy. We made it.
All right.
This is Kilbournes Hole. Outside of the crater is actually public land, but the inside is actually private land. So there's actually cattle and stuff that is actually there in the middle. How's the hole there, Andrew?
Pretty massive.
Yeah, it's huge.
Great.
And there's one random car. I don't know if you can see it. There's one random car over there. I don't know what it's doing there. It's in the middle of nowhere, and it's not even a high clearance vehicle, so I have no idea what's going on. How does it feel to drive the bike on the loose end?
Frustrating.
What's the most unique thing about it?
The fact that we made it here.
We're proud of you, man. You survived the sandy roads here. Now let's just try getting back in one piece. That's what we like to call a very dangerous situation here in the desert, because things could have gone really wrong. Alright, so check it out. We are now all impervious to not crashing because I dropped the bike trying to look for Andrew. This little thing actually broke off. It's supposed to have a little knob like that. Funny enough, the place I dropped the bike the most has been at parking lots. So how's the trip, Andrew?
Exhilarating. Fun.
So that's it for us, guys. Thanks for joining us for this great video. Be sure to leave me a comment. See you next time.
You part of the blooper reel.
The blooper reel at the very end of the video, yeah.
3, 2, 1. No.
Yeah, 3, 2, 1, and face. I forgot what I was trying to do.
That's good.
Because vlogs are all about personality and like connection and the audience, right? Right? Leave me a comment if that's true. Right?
Plug.
Plug.